I'm creating a void in this space here, and I'm reaching and cutting this way. I have to get that way as quick as possible so that way the knife doesn't trail me. So when it comes in, go ahead, coming over, and I'm aiming here, look down to the bicep there, and I'm trying to get that parting shot right on the arm, right in the meat. Straight up. Boom. You're not gonna get a very deep cut from it, but it's to avoid that straight thrust coming in. So when he comes in, boom, boom, I'm hitting the arm. As soon as I rip, I'm throwing in right there to the throat. Oh, didn't deploy. Let me see. Didn't deploy. All right. That's it. Perfect. Got my bicep again.